Hello students, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing well at home. Today I am going to teach you Standard 4 Literature Chapter 2. Students, take out a literature book, Chapter 2. Chapter 2, the name is Black Beauty, which is straight from the horse's mouth. This Black Beauty is the story of a horse's life, and the story is being told by a horse. Let's read. The longer I lived at Birtwick Hall, the more proud and happy I felt at having such a place. The horse is speaking in this story. The longer I lived at Birtwick Hall, the more proud and happy I felt at having such a place. Our master and mistress were respected and beloved by all who knew them. They were good and kind to everybody and everything, not only men and women, but horses, donkeys, dogs, and cats, cattle, and birds. They all loved them. There was no oppressed or ill used creature that had not a friend in them, oppressed, treated cruelly and unfairly. And their workers too took the same tone means sound. If any of the village children were known to treat any creature cruelly, they soon heard about it from the hall. My master and farmer Gray had worked together for more than 20 years to get check reins on the cart horses done away with, and in our parts you rarely saw them. Check reins, short reins that prevent a horse from lowering its head. And sometimes, if mistress met a heavily laden horse, she would stop the carriage and get out and tell the driver in her sweet, serious voice how foolish and cruel it was. If mistress met heavily having to carry a laden heavy load. If mistress met having to carry heavy load horse, she would stop the carriage and get out and tell the driver in her sweet, serious voice how foolish and cruel it was. Carriage coach. I wish all ladies were like my mistress. Our master too believed in treating animals well. Students, turn the page. I remember he was riding me towards home one morning when we saw a powerful man driving in a light pony cart with a beautiful little bay with slender legs and sensitive face. Pony, a horse of a small breed. Bay, see it is written here. Reddish brown horse with a black mane and tail. And slender, I am written here, slim, sensitive, quick to respond. Just as he came to the park gates, the little thing turned towards them. The man, without word or warning, turned the pony's head with such a force and suddenness that it nearly fell. Recovering itself, it was going on when he hit it furiously, extremely angry manner. The pony plunged forward. Plunged means jumped. With the man's hand, held the pony back with force enough to hurt its jaw. Each of the upper and lower bony structures in vertebrates forming the framework of the mouth and containing the teeth. While they whip till cut into it, whip means belt. When the belt while the whip still cut into it. It was a dreadful sight to me. Dreadful means terrible. It was a terrible sight to me. But master asked me to speed up, and we reached the cart in a second. "Sawyer," he cried in a stern voice. Stern means serious voice. He cried, "Is that pony made of flesh and blood?" Flesh and blood and temper. Temper, a person's state of mind, seen in terms of their being angry and calm. He said, "It's too fond of its own will, and I don't like that." He was a builder who had often been to our place on business. "And do you think," said master sternly, seriously, the master said, "do you think that treatment like this will make it listen to you? It should not have turned towards your place. The road was straight on," said the man roughly. "You have often driven that pony up to my place," said master. "It only shows the creature's memory and intelligence. How did it know that you were not going there again? I must say, Mr. Sawyer, that I have never witnessed a more brutal treatment of a little pony." Brutal, so it is written here, cruel and violent. "That I have never witnessed a more brutal treatment of a little pony, and by such anger you injured your own character more than you injured your horse. And remember, we shall all have to be judged according to our works, whether they be towards man or towards beast. According to our work, we will judge whether they be towards man or towards beast. Beast means animal. Students, you read this chapter 2 times and write down these word meanings in the copy and learn. Thank you.